Mind management. This video is for you. This is going to make your job infinitely easier. Okay? No more searching Google, wasting your time. You're going to have one app, one question, one process. You can chat back and forth. You can use this app just like an incredibly intelligent sidekick. Okay? But ultimately, you are going to make the decision. So let's make the decisions better using your sidekick. What is a sidekick? I'll show you right now. Sidekick is something called minegenius. minegenius is a fantastic application, and I'm just going to show you how it works. So let's just dive into it. So for this, we're going to go into mine reference. Okay. Now mine reference is going to be an expert on everything mining, mining engineering, rock mechanics, what type of roof support you're going to need, what type of equipment. All of these kind of answers you're going to get directly from here. So let's think of a use case off the top of our head. What is a question that we're going to struggle with? How about we So how about we ask it questions about equipment, okay? Which equipment should we use for our use case, okay? So right now, I'm gonna go in here. This is gonna blow your mind, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna say, ask me a series of questions, which I will provide the answers to in order so that we may determine the most optimum choice in equipment for our mining contracting project. So now it's going to go into all of its reference material, which is the top mining reference material there is, and it's going to extract that and it's going to synthesize the information into what we can see here. So it says to determine the most optimum choice in equipment, we'll need to gather some details. So now what we're going to do is we're going to answer all of these questions. So the primary, let's get out of here. The primary objective of this mining project is going to be, we're going to create a development decline, let's say. We are going to develop a 3 meter by 3 meter decline. Okay. That is approx 600 meters. 600 meters at a 15-degree slope. Expected production rate, we don't know yet. Type of ore or mineral is being targeted. We'll say gold will be targeted, but for now we are just making the development decline to the gold. So host rock or waste rock will be extracted. Okay. What type of mining method? This is going to be underground mining method. Okay. What is the planned duration of the project? That's irrelevant. We won't answer that. What are the working conditions? Don't have to really answer that. What types of equipment are we considering? So we're considering loaders, considering jack legs, loaders, or LHDs, haul trucks. What else can we say? Jumbo. Would it have to be a mini jumbo? Roof bolters. However, roof bolters or stopers or pneumatic stopers. Okay. Any cost constraints? Provide the estimated costs for 3 different solutions in detail. Okay. Logistical challenges. What are the maintenance requirements and capabilities on site? So we'll just click enter here, but as you can see, if we really wanted to, we could really go in depth and answer every one of these questions. But since this is just off the top of our head, we just want to see what it'll do. Let's just click generate, and as you can see, the pickaxes are going. That's just a little touch we put on here for you guys. You know, we're mining professionals, created this for mining professionals. So as you can see, it's really giving it some thought here. Okay, so to provide a detailed cost estimation for the 3 meter by 3 meter decline of approximately 600 meter at 15-degree slope, targeting gold but currently extracting waste rock, we will consider 3 different equipment solutions. So solution 1, we have the basic manual and semi-mechanized equipment. We have jack legs, we have the stopers, okay, we might have a LHD. So I think solution 1's probably pretty good. You know, these are actually pretty accurate pricing comparisons. Okay, so then total equipment cost, we have this, blah blah blah. It's 2 haul trucks, so that'd be about $2 million. Then we have solution 2, it's going to be about double that, about 4 million. So we'll say we'll go with solution 1 here. So let's go with solution 1. Go with solution 1. So we're going to say we're going to have, no, we'll do this. We'll get the genius to ask us questions and we'll just answer it, and then we'll get input again. We'll go with solution 1. Let's make a detailed, or give me a detailed questions in order so that we may plan for this project. We want it to be completed in about a year. Assume all equipment is already at the mine. Okay, you know, sometimes equipment takes a little longer to get, so we don't really want that to affect the plan that it's going to give us. Okay, and I look how I left this open-ended. I just said plan for the project. I didn't say financial plan. I just said plan. If we wanted to go into really detail the nitty-gritties, we can go in and ask it financial projections, ROIs, you know, things of that nature, right? Given some assumptions. So here we go. Going to answer these questions. What are the major phases of the project? Look, this is incredible, guys. I mean, this is really incredible stuff because it's just simplifying our workflow like a lot. Look at this. Daily, weekly work plans, shifts, crews. It's, you know, we can just really dive very deep in it. Look at this. Incredible. Okay? So, as you can see, we can keep going, diving deep, deep, deep. But for this video, I'm just going to wrap it up, and the next video will be a continuation of this. So, as you can see, with minegenius, we not only can ask it questions about, you know, simple questions like what should the ventilation be, things of that nature. We can get it to plan our project for us, guys. So if this got you curious, feel free to try it out for free. It'll be in the link below. And then if we want to create a custom application for your particular use case using your mine data, now that is where the magic may happen. And if that interests you, send me a DM and we'll work together to make that happen. Take care, guys.